This is my journey of experiences thanks to Through Future Journalist Award. Anyone following dreams should take this great chance. The program brought me to London to visit the World's Newsroom. I attended the workshop run by Steve Taskinen, who has worked here over 30 years. I learned that BBC values impartiality, independence, and honesty, so it gained high trust from the audience. Moreover, BBC has its own editorial guidelines to produce fair and balanced content for the public. Every new piece from BBC has been through careful deliberation. That's what makes BBC different from other news organizations. Moreover, Steve also taught me how BBC apply and adjust itself into the digital era. It used many websites to check fake news. Even I, as a journalism student, can use it. Accuracy is stressed more than ever before in the online content. Seek out the truth and always question everything. They are basic grounds of getting the right story. The most accuracy part of this workshop is a newsroom tour. I got to see similarity and difference between here and my own countries. Also, I met with the BBC leading news presenter, Lucy Hawkins. She showed us how live broadcast is done. Cooperation from every sector is a key thing here. After the workshop, I realized that there are many more skills I need to master. BBC inspired and guided me how to become a capable journalist.